ngasi macet makai tana amaga wa ngana ba yadriba channa ba yadriba samna ba yadriba wa ama ngai ra ka ngasi no ngalaga pung amagi matu reaction ama lakwa adu magi leaders me am singido thengna na bada ngasi gi youth ki 73 leaders ki importance and I for the like PYC committee Pradesh Youth Congress committee sigi aikoi gi in charge Sharifa Rahman ji homsne suyauri kai kumnajari amasung loina mayam se mingwaina panjatra basu punna PYC committee gi wahengbam ai now ana congratulations to jo hedokna state ki vice presidency punna naurem abinash singduna mitaru congratulations bijali loina state ki general secretary sing irengbam tondon bam maitai le singwa punna mathoi general secretary loina state ki secretary sing punna mapan punna marini aduga Alfred Ishumna Lusingba Aduga Punna Marisi congratulations Pijay Amadi District Youth Congress President District Kudingi Punna District Mapan ki Youth Congress ki District Mapan Wahengbam Guneshwar Singna Lusingba Aduga Sigi Punna Mapan Punna Makta and congratulations Pijay AYC Assembly Youth Congress Akoi committee singi presidency punamak punna punsaga ni thoi kendra kudimaki akoi assembly ki committee congratulations pijali yam nungai is a really a big congratulations to you all nong khalaba akoi youth congress ki leaders punna akoi ki leadership 73 leaders state level adagi district level assembly level the punna 73 leadership and the ki pangthokiba election sida nauna leaders me am khalakasi kimati nungai amasu mashina one of the faidaki fajana aikoi gi youth congress ki election democratic elections one of the greatest democratic elections masi phawada masigi aikoi gi kendra sing represent over district sing fajana tawa adagi then state ki level ki fajana thousands of enrollments masi conduct tawre har kan da tawsi asawa akoi gi AICC na under district supervision of our leader of opposition Shri Rahul Gandhi mahakna masi ma phaja monitor tawe self leaders aikoi ki state ki handa ki election to we monitor to kan da pang thok mayam at the same time aikoi ki kendra ki leaders levels kendra level ki leaders MLAs ajana cooperation pb da kan da aikoi ki thousands of enrolled and conducted the elections smoothly adro masi democracy ki yamna fajaba adagi ingna tapna adagi enroll tawre harikan tawba amukta si asawa amani masi asawa democracy election ama shanti hoina adagi leiriba tanja aikoi gi violence gi marakta koina ba photo thagat pabuk yahandi enroll tawda haibadi manipur gi wana matam sidai sida adu all india gi lepak pani na koi tawba yada masi marak internet ban mayam taw koi marak pangthok ki mayam ki cooperation ni aduna mayam kuno kachaba fundok chen loina aina thamjaningi halliba leaders khudima loina election da president election thingnaba vice president thingnaba general secretary thingnaba then state ki secretary thingnaba then district level thingnaba assembly level thingnaba loine accommodate to magi number of vote phangbu gi matungina aramadu nai koi amaga enmity imta leiro koi phajana masi si chanana leiriba AICC gi akoi gi guideline da phajana masi accommodate tawna room pirakidna masidi mana phangbu gi matungina magi post sembirakna masi phajana akoi gi committee singsi कोई लेरे अजुना यूथ की लीडर्स सिंह आइना यामना नुंगाइबा फुदुकचरी and at the same time मसीगी election से मसी it reflect the ideas of Manipur मरमदी ngasagi vice president da community kudimak accommodate to Manipur ki community kudimak then state ki general secretary kuding sidesida community kudimak Manipur ki community kudimak represent to then secretaries district level assembly levels aduna it's a symbol and it's a reflection of the ideas of Manipur. So Congress always stand the ideas of Manipur. It's a great moment that our Congress parties reflects even the election of the youth Congress reflects the ideas of Manipur. Great, it's a moment, it's a great moment. Thank you for the AICC leaders. I'm really happy with the AICC leaders because all the committee at the state level and the district level and the assembly level reflects the ideas of Manipur. Right? Otherwise, it's a great moment for me also. Right now, ngasigi congratulations tauraba matung sidati. Aina thamjaningi ahanbada discipline aikoi thaksi kashi election thengna khudi mak accommodate tawina dana aikoi nungsinere leire then adurgadi aikoi discipline haibasi Congress party ki di is inseparable aikoi amaga party ki discipline haise thadok na baya thaksi kashi adagi amadi party ki chana lolchen mayam inba discipline and then goal fazana niyom sumna taksi kasi lamcha chaja fazana tawre kanda what is our goal of our Congress party madu ekoi target to we have to target what is our ideology what is our goal of our Congress party we have to target it goal si ekoi gi youth ki leaders sing lay batai madu gi goal duni ekoi ni ngasi na koi na thokla ka thengna ga duriba aina appeal tawjariba leaders kudimak all these 73 leaders then adagi aikoina ngasi youth ki leaders ma'am khali bisi ngasai as stated by Sarifa the ideas of Congress thoughts adu ma'am do loina laira basing dagi adagi political despite of adi aikoigi political parties ki background legidragasu makhoi ma'am se thogla aga youth ki leaders state ki leader district level state level then assembly level makhoi na leaders oiba ngamjara is it because of this all Congress party koi ki Congress party je oiba gi ne mamang the election state ta thenai atop state ta thenai political ki background laiba mi natragadi noi kam natragadi youth ki president oiba ya ki da bai thenai noi ki ya kam na youth ki president khan bada not our Congress party others political parties yes I have experience I have seen that aduna aikoi gi party gi bamasu community lokas amasu adagi aikoi gi puramaki accommodation to this is the greatness of our Congress party happy masima again aina amuksu appeal tawjaninge nauna khalaklaba youth ki leaders 73 leaders youth ki leaders na akoi discipline haibado sai high kre aduna mi ki political party singda politically attack to not like individual line adagi not like physical assault not like attacking to the other political parties okay see haying youth ki leaders koina leibak asi semdana bagi leibak asi shanti porgona bagi konaba matamda atopa political party da mai thana bagi plan tawgano aina appeal tawsari akoi gi office ta mai tharang diba kaya yawe madugi matok tambigan discipline leina atopa political party respect the other political party because that is enshrined in the Constitution of India. We have to respect the other political party. I sincerely and humbly appeal to all the leaders of the newly elected Congress. Adagi then atopa amadana aina appeal tawjaninge sigi nauna khallaba youth ki leaders singa aikoi state sigi thabak taw dedication ga loidana thabak taw then aikoi become youth leaders nakoi youth leaders were then leaders have a city mayam na kairak shema laga ai tomdana leaders kairak tu itunta ka badu nite leaders mayam singchina kairak se punna seminaraga kairak atu punna kamina badu that is called a genuine leader. So I request you all aikoina kairak se punna seminaraga mipum khudimaki activity mipum khudimaki sanabam mipum khudimaki leadership ki growth that is called the genuine leaders. Aduna aikoi leader oidiba 73 khudimak se mipum khudimak nangi associate tawi nangi second mayam singdo let them also grow, let them also become leaders, not you only, not you the 73 leaders only. We need to promote the thousands of leaders in this team and from the different communities. Privacy, leader amagi magunsi. Ngasidagi congratulations to gunu bidisida. Mixing view amasu. Matang tabak thorm tiada sathari. I appeal to zeri. Again, I na thamjaningi. Ngasi aikona khaliba youth leaders singse. Ai leadership to madugi image amasu madugi popularity. Ngasi aikoi state asida sufferings, the pains and agony that we have facing by our people. Masigi mayam singa se masi themna bagi dedication do adu darkar le maramasina ngasi hallaba leader singa ai leader khan khre hai du ate manipur gi mafam kasin koya to realize and maintain the traditions and conventions of the ideas of Manipur. To verify again and to rebuild the damaged image of Manipur. Ngasi Manipur da shasan haitabadagi ngasi mache makai tana amaga wa nangna bayadriba changna bayadriba samna bayadriba wa amang ngai rakpa ngasi no ngalaga pung amagi reaction nama lakwa adugumagi leaders mayam singdo ngasi adugum mayam challenges mayam singdo thenna bada ngasi gi youth ki 73 leaders gi importance and badugi role to tangai fatable like not only that the challenges that we have youth singa ngasi thenari ba mayam like hairaba kaya gi thabak phangtabgi samesa unemployment problems that we have. Then, job loss. India ki national ki level, state ki level da. Ngasi naha mayam mo larik pangdadana. Adagi tongan ba entrepreneurs and adagi enterprises mayam sing likat pangamdadana. Tongan ba factories, industries mayam ma tawungamdadana ko chendaru mayam. We may recall that 2014 Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, youth singi damakta sahi amada crore ani thabak pigini. And again, our state government, our double engine government in 2017 promised to the youth, to the entire people of Manipur by saying that 1.5 lakhs jobs will be given to the youth of Manipur every year. 2 crores in a year. 1.5 in a year. By this double engine government since 2014 and again promise reaffirmed in 2017. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ desperate ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ we have to challenge ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯃꯤꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ masi it's a very important for the youth of Manipur. Aina masi haijari amasu masigi siyamna nuai masi asumuba youth mayam leaders mayam amai ko promote tawba ngamjaba adagi with the help of our and instructions of our Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Honorable President of AICC, and also the leader of opposition Sri Rahul Gandhi ji. Under their guidance, we could have done these democratic elections, and we could find 73 leaders from our state Manipur. Thank you once again, and congratulations to you all.